Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to try to do the waterfall nail art for the first time. So I will be using Triple D dip powders and as well as their gel products. So these are their gel colors. So my nails are now ready and I already applied Pop Off, which is Triple D's peel base. So the first time I used that, I was able to remove my manicure, but I wasn't able to pop it off like as a whole. So I am still trying to see if how many layers will work for me. So this time I tried just one full coat. So don't worry, I will update you on my next videos on how my experiment went. But yeah, so I applied Milky Way and I am going to use this one. It is from Chaos Concept. I think this is their dipped in chaos. I am not really sure, but you use this as a cupcake liner. So instead of like throwing a lot of cupcake liner, I said I have to try this one. So yeah, so far it is working. You just have to be careful when you pour the product because sometimes it spills inside. But so far, I am really loving it. It is amazing. And I also use this one when I do my swatches on the swatch sticks. So it is really helpful. So it minimizes my usage of cupcake liners. And when you pour the powder back in the jar, it is really easy and no spillage. And you can actually like get those products. You can use brush to just use it to clean. So yeah, I'll be putting the link of this product in the description box if you are interested. So I am just going to apply another layer of the Milky Way. I'm going to do 2 layers and I will be back. So my mani popped off while I was doing my other nail, so just don't mind my 2 nails. So yeah, let's proceed with my next color. It is Bambootiful, and this one is the dip powder because they also have Bambootiful in gel. So I will be using the dip powder first as my base, and then the gel one will be for my nail art. So I'm going to apply Bambootiful on those 3 nails and I'll be doing 3 layers. So this is after 2 layers. The powder is really pigmented, but I still added one more layer to make the more color opaque. So this is after I did that. So I'm just going to apply clear dip powder and clear encapsulate this off cam, and this is after I did that. So now I am going to activate using Triple D activator. So I'm going to let this dry and then do all my filing and shaping off cam, and this is after I did that. So now I'll start with the nail art, which is the waterfall nail art. I'm going to do that on those 2 fingers. So I'm going to use the gel colors from Triple D, and I am just going to get some of it and put it on my mixing plate. So for the brushes, I'll be using these gel nail art brushes from BEETLES. So these are fine liner brushes. Before I start with the nail art, I'm going to apply gel base first so that the product will have something to adhere to. And after you apply it, make sure to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'll start first with BAMBOOTIFUL gel, and I'll be applying it on the sides of my nails. So after that, I am going to flash cure just so that when I apply the other colors, it won't bleed. So I forgot to blend the green one, so I'm going to do that later, but I am just trying to like blend that part or the end part. So I am using an ombre brush for this, but while I was doing this process, I noticed that it is better to use dotting tool to kind of blend the edges. So after that, I fully cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and now I am going to do the same for my ring finger. So I'm going to let you guys watch and I'll be back. So I know you can see that black stain on my other finger, which is my middle finger. I actually didn't notice that while I was doing my ring finger. So I only saw it after I did my ring finger and I was like, oh my god, I have to redo it again. So I just put another layer of each color and cure it in the lamp, and that is how I was able to salvage that one. So this is after I did the waterfall design, so I am going to fully cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and after that I am going to wipe off any dust or any dirt, and then I am going to top coat. So I am going to use Triple D's Gel Matte Me Up Top Coat. So this is my go-to matte top coat and it is really my favorite. So I'm going to apply it on all of my nails and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. But then after I cure it, I realized that I should have not put a gel top coat on those accent nails because it will dull the sparkle of that silver glitter. So I just decided to buff it a little bit to remove the gel top coat and just reapply the shiny top coat. So this is how it looks like after I cure. So then it doesn't look that nice, so I just applied a shiny top coat. So this one looks a lot better now. So now I am going to apply cuticle oil because I am almost done. So as usual, I am going to use Scales of a Mermaid. And that's it, I am finally done and here is the finished look. So let me know your thoughts in the comment box below, and make sure to check the description box because I'll be putting all the products that I use in there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. So thank you and I will see you again on my next videos. Bye!